If you wear glasses and want to know where they are, then maybe you need this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. A lot of us wear glasses. Some of us wear readers. Maybe you have a pair of reading glasses like this that you want to keep at your desk, your table, your nightstand, by your TV, in your office, wherever. And maybe sometimes you just lay them down on the desk. Maybe you have a pair of sunglasses. It doesn't really matter. But for me, whenever I lay my glasses down, they always start getting bumped around, get some dirty. I'm kind of fumbling for them, getting fingerprints on it. Sometimes they're not in the same place where I left them because papers get pushed in the way, glasses, my coffee mug, whatever. And so I saw this and I picked it up. And actually, it's not just this, it's this and this because it came in a 2-pack. Not a 2-pack, Shakur, just a 2-pack of glasses holders. And what's kind of nice about these is I think they're pretty well thought out. It looks like leather, but this is like a imitation PU leather. It's much too glossy and smooth, and the base here has kind of like a velvety base. The whole thing isn't super heavy. I kind of wondered if this would have like a rubber bottom or something like that, but it doesn't. I do though, and it has some actually nice flourishes. Kind of this middle part is raised up, so maybe this is kind of bolted into this board right here, and then it's all wrapped in this PU. And then inside here, kind of looks like a boot or something, it has this faux fur lining, which is kind of nice too. It's actually fairly deep and kind of pinches towards the bottom here just a little bit, and you can get it in that brown or this black too. So I didn't have any choice. It comes in this, but you can just order one. And then I saw there were 4-packs too, so you can have one for every place. Now these are pretty standard size pair of glasses here, and I just want to show you that they can go in there just like that, fits in. So even if you wear large aviators or something like this, and I will tell you that these are like XXL glasses, so they're wider, 120 millimeters or something, because I have a giant size face. This way or this way seem to go in, and I like that they're kind of snug. I wouldn't call them like snug. You can see that they fall out, but they're not going to just flop around a lot. One pair of glasses only, that's all it's going to fit in there. But I also love the fact that it's not going to scratch up the lenses or anything like that. Plus, instead of taking up a lot of real estate on your desk when the glasses are laying like this, now they're vertical, so we have a smaller footprint. And at a glance, I'm going to know where they are. Even if they get pushed around the desk, you can put it on your kitchen counter, wherever you have glasses, so that you know where they are. And if you're fumbling around on the nightstand tonight, oh, here's that glasses holder, and just pull them out. So I'm actually pretty impressed with these. I was going to put a set on each of my desks, but now I might get some more of these and use them around the nightstand anywhere I have my glasses, so I know where they are. Because invariably at night, stumbling around in the dark, sometimes I smack my glasses off the nightstand and then I'm looking for them on the ground. So to prevent that, you can pick up this or both of them together. I'll put links to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever, thanks to Peter Von Panda.